If you think Virginia is just history and colonial landmarks, you're missing a big part of the story. It's food. Virginia has played a major role in shaping American cuisine, blending Native American traditions, colonial influences, and Southern cooking into something truly unique. From world-famous ham and peanuts to comforting classics and Chesapeake Bay seafood, let's take a deeper look at 10 foods that were born right here in Virginia. Virginia ham is one of the most famous foods to come out of the state, especially from the town of Smithfield. This is a dry-cured ham, heavily salted and aged, sometimes for over a year, giving it a deep, rich, and slightly salty flavor that's unlike typical grocery store ham. The curing process dates back to colonial times when preserving meat was essential for survival. Over time, it became a delicacy known around the world, often served thinly sliced and paired with biscuits or even a touch of sweetness like honey or preserves. In 1926, a state law was passed stating that a genuine Smithfield ham is protected by law, meaning only hams cured in that specific region can carry the name. Virginia peanuts are another iconic food, known for being larger, crunchier, and more flavorful than typical peanuts. The sandy soil and climate of southeastern Virginia create ideal growing conditions, which is why they're often referred to as the Cadillac of peanuts. These peanuts are commonly roasted and salted, but they're also used in gourmet snacks, brittle, and even coatings for seafood and chicken. Their size and texture make them especially popular in ballparks and snack mixes, giving them national recognition. You'll also find them in specialty shops across the state, often freshly roasted and sold warm, which really brings out their flavor. Peanut soup is a uniquely Virginian dish with roots in colonial cooking and strong ties to Williamsburg. It's a creamy, savory soup made with peanuts, broth, and often a touch of cream, resulting in a rich and slightly nutty flavor that surprises first-time visitors. Some versions include a hint of sherry or spice, adding depth and complexity. It was once a staple in colonial taverns and continues to be served in historic inns and restaurants today, offering a true taste of early American cuisine. It's one of those dishes that sounds unusual at first, but once you try it, it quickly becomes a memorable highlight of the meal. Brunswick Stew is a hearty, comforting dish that has sparked a long-standing debate over its true origin, but Virginia strongly claims it. Traditionally made with chicken or rabbit, along with vegetables like corn, tomatoes, and lima beans, it's slow-cooked into a thick, flavorful stew. Originally prepared in large cast-iron pots over open fires, it was often made for community gatherings and celebrations. Today it remains a staple at cookouts, fundraisers, and family meals, especially in the cooler months. Many local events even host Brunswick Stew cook-offs, where the recipes are closely guarded and judged with serious pride. Spoon bread is another Virginia classic that dates back to early American cooking and Native American cornmeal traditions. It's a soft, custard-like dish made from cornmeal, milk, butter, and eggs, somewhere between cornbread and a souffle. The texture is so light and airy that it can't be sliced, which is why it's served with a spoon. It's often found in historic restaurants and southern kitchens, usually served warm as a comforting side dish along meats like ham or fried chicken. Its delicate texture and mild flavor make it a perfect canvas for soaking up gravies and sauces on the plate. Chesapeake Bay blue crabs are central to Virginia's coastal identity and culinary culture. These crabs are prized for their sweet, tender meat and are often steamed with seasoning or picked fresh for crab cakes. The process of cracking and picking crabs is almost a social event, bringing people together around tables covered in newspaper. Crab feasts are a tradition in the region, and the experience is just as important as the flavor. It's messy, hands-on dining, but that's exactly what makes it so fun and memorable. Oysters from the Chesapeake Bay are another defining food of Virginia, with a history that dates back centuries. The bay's unique mix of fresh and salt water creates ideal conditions for oyster farming, resulting in a clean, briny flavor that varies slightly depending on where they're harvested. In colonial times, oysters were so plentiful they were considered everyday food, even used for building roads with discarded shells. Today they're a prized delicacy enjoyed raw, roasted, or fried, and Virginia's oyster trail highlights the many varieties found throughout the region. For seafood lovers, tasting oysters from different parts of the bay can be like a wine tasting, each one with its own distinct character. Fried apples are a simple but deeply rooted dish in Virginia, especially in the Appalachian regions. Apples are cooked down slowly with butter, sugar, and warm spices like cinnamon until they become tender and slightly caramelized. The result is a sweet, comforting dish that pairs perfectly with savory items like pork chops or country ham. It's a staple of Southern home cooking and often evokes a sense of nostalgia and tradition. You'll often find this dish on breakfast tables as well, served alongside biscuits and eggs for a classic Southern start to the day. Chess pie is a classic Southern dessert with strong ties to Virginia and the surrounding region. Made with simple pantry ingredients like sugar, butter, eggs, and a bit of cornmeal or flour, it creates a rich custard-like filling with a slightly crisp top. Variations may include lemon, chocolate, or vinegar for added flavor. Its simplicity made it a popular dessert in early American kitchens, and it remains a favorite for holidays and family gatherings. Despite its humble ingredients, it delivers a rich, satisfying sweetness that keeps people coming back for another slice. Country ham biscuits are a true Virginia staple and a perfect example of Southern hospitality. Thin slices of salty, cured country ham are tucked into soft, buttery biscuits, creating a simple but incredibly satisfying combination. They are often served at gatherings, weddings, and holiday events, sometimes with a touch of mustard or preserves for contrast. They're small, easy to eat, and packed with flavor, making them one of the most beloved foods in the state. They're also a popular grab-and-go snack at events, proving that simple food done well is always a crowd pleaser. So there you have it, 10 foods that were born right here in Virginia. From historic recipes to coastal seafood and agricultural staples, Virginia's food tells the story of America itself. Which one of these would you most like to try, and which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us keep sharing great destinations, foods, and travel ideas. And if you're ready to experience Virginia for yourself or plan your next trip anywhere in the world, Tradewinds Travel is here to help make it simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.